Welcome everyone. Today I am partnering with FabFitFun for the release of their summer box. Just in case any of you did not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that comes with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. The box comes out 4 times a year each season. Each box has a value of over $200 in it, but you can get it for only $49.99. On top of that, you can get your first FabFitFun subscription box for $10 off by using my code Tracy Loves, and you can get to that code in the drop-down box right below this video. Be sure at checkout to use the code Tracy Loves, and you will be able to take advantage of that $10 off offer. FabFitFun also gives you the option to customize some of the items in your box. I will be happy to show you what those customized items are, but before we do, let's look at the items that are going to come in every single summer box. The first item that I want to mention that comes in every single box is the Customizable Original Duo Pack. This retails for $16. The Customizable is a traceless hair ring. It comes in a pack of 6. These have a strong grip and high wearing comfort. The next item that you will receive in your summer box is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This mask is packed with Davidson Plum, which is an Australian ingredient that helps to brighten, boost hydration, and rejuvenate the skin. This clay mask retails for $39. The next item that comes in every box is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. This is a hydrating rose facial spray. It retails for $25.95. The facial spray contains rose, which helps keep skin fresh and moisturized. This product could be perfect to keep in your purse and when you are on the go if you suffer from dry skin throughout the day. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm getting a shower of roses. The next item that will come in every summer box is the Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask. Soothes and softens. This retails for $32. This foot mask contains natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seeds. The willow bark helps to shed dead skin and soften it. It is also anti-inflammatory. The pumpkin seeds exfoliate and polish the feet and leave them super soft. Let's move on to the products that everyone will have an opportunity to customize in their summer box. Let me make it clear, however, that you will not receive these items unless you choose them. So it's very important to take the necessary steps to make sure you are choosing your customizable items. The first thing that I want to talk about is actually a product that I have in the full size myself. So I love this little jar because I can take it for travel. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream and their Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. These two products together retail for $45. The all-over body cream stimulates circulation, boosts energy, and helps smooth skin. The shower gel deeply cleanses without stripping skin of its natural oils. The next customizable item was probably my favorite item in the whole entire box. It is these beautiful bowls by West Elm. I am already a big fan of West Elm. My girls are also a fan. My niece registered at West Elm for her bridal shower, so I love their products and they have very good quality, and we already know that in our family. These are the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, retailed for $39. Beautiful set of 3 bowls, perfect for using as decor or to serve your favorite snacks. The next item that you can customize is this beautiful necklace by Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. You would be able to check out her website if you look at the little card that the necklace comes on. I love the little pouch. I shared in a recent traveling video that I do save these pouches so that I can use them for traveling with my jewelry. So there's a little added tip in today's video. This dainty, timeless gold star double necklace retails retails for $50. It's stainless steel plated yellow gold. With the FabFitFun seasonal subscription box, you will have an option to upgrade to an annual membership where you can customize select items where members that are not part of the annual membership will not be able to. They will be selected by FabFitFun. Let me back up a little. We started with the items that come in every single box. Then we moved on to items that everyone will have an option to customize if they go through the process of doing so. Then there are members that have upgraded to the annual membership that will have a couple options on their own that otherwise FabFitFun will select for them. Let's talk about the ones that are in the summer box. One of the items is the Living Proof Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. You already know how much I love Living Proof. I actually have this product in the full size. So this is a great one for travel. This styling cream retails for $28. This product works to combat frizz and also smooth condition and block humidity without weighing your hair down. The last item that I want to share with you that is for the select members is the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. This all-natural balm retails for $30. It soothes and heals dry or damaged skin. You use it to relieve burns, scrapes, or post-procedure skin. Again, each FabFitFun box retails for over $200. My box today retailed for $254.95. As you can see, I love receiving my FabFitFun subscription boxes every season. It's convenient, saves me time, and saves me money. The other thing that I like is it gives me the opportunity to try new brands. I think that's the beauty with the subscription boxes. The other thing that I really love about FabFitFun is that they support females who are making it in the business world and coming out with products and developing things. And I love that they support that. A lot of the lines that they carry and the brands that they carry are a female-owned business. And being a female business owner myself, I think there's a lot of power in that, and it really impresses me when companies really reach out and help us women, because we're all about empowering one another and lifting one another, aren't we? FabFitFun also partners with a nonprofit charity, which is another thing that's really important to me. They raise funds and awareness every season with each of their subscription boxes. I think that's everything, but before I forget, my UK followers, and I have a lot of you out there, I know this because I talk to you guys. But anyway, I have some great news for you. Now you don't have to miss out on getting your customizable subscription box. You're in luck because FabFitFun is now shipping to the UK. And I think that's everything. So there you go, everything in my FabFitFun summer box. I just love the packaging. Can't get enough of the packaging. Don't forget, drop down box below is the code TracyLoves. You will want to use that at checkout. The box is $49.99, but you can get $10 off your first box. Use that code. Don't forget to look into the annual membership for other little perks. And thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, FabFitFun, for another amazing box. Us ladies are loving it. All right, take care. We'll see you soon in the next video.